Hello, welcome back. It's time for Dori Recommends in this month, Inspiration Moments. I'm so excited to be with you. Though we're going through this difficult time, I have to tell you, I have been so happy with what our entire industry is doing. And in particularly, I am so proud and happy of all the mastermind members for just picking up their step and going and doing all the things that they really need to do to implement and still make money even now. So in the Dori Recommends, I have a very special guest that's going to be joining me on a webinar this month. Her name is Shelby Miller. She's one of our mastermind members. She's a superstar. She's a rock star on Instagram. She has 85,000 followers on Instagram. It's amazing. She's absolutely gorgeous. She just had a baby. Her baby's name is London, cutest little girl ever. And Shelby is in the middle of opening a brand new place. Could you imagine doing build out right now? She was in there doing cabinets and painting, doing all the things that she needed to get done and be ready to open. So, but you know what? She doesn't let any of this stop her because she's still rocking it. You have got to come to this webinar and learn 6 steps to gain followers. And then I'm going to show you how you can take those followers and turn them into clients. So her and I are going to be on this webinar together. And it's going to be on May 11th at 1 p.m. Eastern. So that's a Monday. And you have got to definitely listen and see how Shelby was able to build that kind of following because of who she is and what she does. So she's going to be sharing her secrets with you. So make sure you register. Here are some of the things we're going to talk about. The first thing is how to gain and maintain followers. We're going to talk about what to post and what not to post. We're going to choose the proper hashtags to make sure that your message is being distributed properly. And then you're going to create a brand for yourself. Shelby's going to show you how she really created this persona that everybody wants to follow her and see what she's actually doing. It's amazing. So I am so excited that she's going to give up some of her time, even though she's in the middle of opening right now, to be with all of you and show you how to gain followers and me show you how to convert them into clients. So it's going to be a very nice webinar. Make sure you join us for that. So I'm super excited. Again, it's May 11th at 1 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you click below and register. I'll see you then. Until next time, stay inspired. And stay tuned to the GVAS virtual conference that I'm going to be talking about.